This morning, I woke up feeling like tackling a DIY project, and what's better than repainting this beautiful push bike? It's been a couple of years since I last gave it a fresh coat, and this time, I'm going all in with MTN's new WEPRO range, a highly durable 2K system with primer, colour and clear coat. First things first, I need to cover the backyard floor. Overspray can travel further than you think. Always use this product in a well-ventilated area and wear protective gear like gloves, a mask and safety glasses. Now, let's get hands-on. Dismantling the bike and taping will probably take me the longest, but the spraying part, that's the easy and fun bit. Prepping the surface is key. Stickers have to go. And I'll make sure there's no glue, grease or dust left behind. Sanding isn't always necessary, but I want this to be perfect, so I'll lightly sand the frame and then wipe it down with MTN ethyl alcohol to make sure it's spotless before priming. Now let's crack on with the 2K epoxy primer from MTN. Before getting started, I'll remove the white button from the lid, flip the can upside down, and place the button onto the stem at the bottom of the aerosol. Then, pressing the can down on a firm surface, I'll activate the formula. A good shake for 2 minutes will ensure the product and catalyst are mixed properly. Before spraying, I'll remove the spray lock, first taking off the nozzle, then gently levering up the safety catch with a screwdriver. A couple of thin layers, with about 10 minutes between coats, should do the trick. Once the primer is on, I'll let it sit for about 6 hours before applying the paint. If more than 72 hours pass before recoating, I'll need to sand and clean the surface again to make sure the next coat sticks properly. Now, on to the fun part, colour. I follow the same process as with the primer, but this time, I'm going with a vibrant red. One layer already has great coverage, but I always prefer to build up thin coats rather than laying it on too thick. 10 minutes between layers is all it takes. I can already tell this is going to look super slick, but I wanted this bike to be flawless. And for that extra protective layer, I'm finishing it off with a couple of coats of 2K clear gloss, applied 15 minutes after the final colour coat. After 24 hours, the paint will be fully cured, and I'll be riding a brand new bike. Just a few final touches, and we're good to go.